One Audi e-tron will run for 200,000 miles on its original battery and motors without breaking a sweat. Another will strand you on the highway with a $10,000 motor replacement before you even hit 30,000 miles. Same badge, same four rings on the hood. The difference comes down to one detail that most buyers completely overlook: the specific model year and build date. Get it right and you have one of the best used luxury EVs on the market. Get it wrong and you are looking at repair bills that exceed the value of the car. These are the three worst and the four best Audi e-tron models you can buy right now. Let us start with the ones you need to walk away from. Worst number 3, the 2022 to 2023 Audi Q4 e-tron. This one is going to surprise a lot of people because the Q4 e-tron looks like such a safe bet on paper. It shares a platform with the Volkswagen ID.4. It is priced more affordably than the larger e-tron SUV, and Audi's build quality gives it a premium feel. Used examples are showing up in the $25,000 to $35,000 range. At that price, it is one of the most tempting Audi EVs on the market. But the early model years have problems that are easy to miss on a test drive. The biggest issue is the onboard charger. In 2025, Audi and Volkswagen recalled nearly 14,000 Q4 e-trons and ID.4s because condensation can form inside the DC/DC converter, short out a circuit board, and stop the 12-volt battery from charging. When that 12-volt dies, the car loses drive power entirely. Even if the main battery is sitting at 80%, you are stranded. Multiple owners have reported walking into their garage to find a completely dead car after just 2 or 3 days of not driving it. One owner had their 2023 Q4 flatbedded to the dealer twice for the same issue, and both times the dealer said everything was normal. Beyond the 12-volt problem, these early Q4s are plagued by software issues that chip away at the ownership experience. The MMI system drops connections, navigation can corrupt, and Consumer Reports rated the Q4 e-tron below average for reliability. None of that will bankrupt you, but stacked on top of a car that can randomly lose all power, it adds up fast. If you are looking at a Q4, the 2025 model year with upgraded motors and the recall fix confirmed is a much safer bet. We will get to that later. Worst number 2, the 2022 to 2023 Audi e-tron GT. A used e-tron GT in the $55,000 to $65,000 range might be the most tempting listing in the entire Audi lineup right now. Porsche Taycan platform, 4 seconds 0 to 60, one of the most beautiful electric cars ever made. At nearly half the original sticker price, it looks like the deal of a lifetime. It is not. The 2022 e-tron GT alone has been recalled 13 times by NHTSA. 13. The most serious involves the high-voltage battery. Modules can experience internal short circuits that lead to thermal events and, in documented cases, actual fires. A battery module replacement can cost up to $50,000 out of warranty. Some owners reported being afraid to park the car in their garage. A class action lawsuit has been filed against Volkswagen Group of America over the defect. And here is the part that really stings. Audi's initial fix was not a physical repair. It was a software update that monitors the battery and warns you if something is going wrong. You are still driving around with the same hardware. If the software flags a bad module, then you get the replacement. Until then, you are told to charge only to 80%, which cuts your range on a car you bought specifically for performance and range. On top of the battery, there are recalls for brake hoses that can tear and cause brake failure, and a passenger airbag that can deactivate when the seat is occupied. And the e-tron GT shares its battery technology with the Porsche Taycan, which has its own separate recall covering over 27,000 vehicles for the same fire risk. When two premium manufacturers are recalling the same platform for the same defect, that is not growing pains. That is a fundamental problem. If you want an e-tron GT, get the 2025 refresh. The early cars are too risky right now. Worst number 1, the 2019 to early 2022 e-tron SUV with an LG battery pack. This is the car that lands more used Audi EV buyers in trouble than any other. A used e-tron SUV at $20,000 to $28,000 with 40,000 miles looks like an incredible deal. Luxury interior, smooth ride, quattro grip. Everything feels right on the test drive. But this generation carries two separate catastrophic failure modes, and together they make it the riskiest used EV on the market. First, the motors. The e-tron's electric motors use mechanical seals that allow a small amount of coolant to seep through by design. Audi built coolant reservoirs into both motors to catch it, and the maintenance schedule calls for draining them every 20,000 miles. The problem is most owners and even some dealers had no idea this service existed. Skip it and coolant eventually floods the motor, destroys the bearings, and you need a full motor replacement. We have seen this happen as early as 20,000 miles. One owner with a 2020 model at just 24,000 miles was quoted nearly $7,500 for a single rear motor. Both motors can push past $15,000 on a car that is only worth $20,000, and there is no warning light for the coolant reservoir. Audi puts sensors for low washer fluid, but nothing to tell you when the motor reservoir is about to overflow. Second, the battery. Audi used LG Energy Solution battery packs in every e-tron SUV built before March 11, 2022. After that date, they switched to Samsung SDI cells. That single cutoff date matters more than almost anything else when shopping for a used e-tron. Nearly 27,000 vehicles in North America are covered by a recall for battery modules that can overheat and, in some cases, catch fire. Audi told owners to charge only to 80% until a fix was ready. That fix took well over a year to reach most dealers, with some owners not getting the work done until late 2025. During that time, cars sat at dealerships for weeks because parts were not available. You cannot drive to work in a recall notice. Stack those two problems together, and you have a vehicle where both the battery pack and the electric motors can cost 5 figures each to repair. No documentation, walk away. Now those are the ones to avoid. But if this breakdown is already helping you out, hit the like button and subscribe. We cover BMW, Audi, Mercedes, Porsche, and Volkswagen EVs every single week. All right, let us get into the Audi e-trons that are genuinely worth your money. Best number 4, the 2025 Audi Q6 e-tron. This is a completely different animal from anything on the worst list. The Q6 e-tron is the first production vehicle built on Audi's new premium platform electric, or PPE, developed jointly with Porsche. And it shows. 800-volt architecture means charging from 10 to 80% in roughly 21 minutes. Range sits between 307 and 321 miles depending on configuration, and the dual-motor quattro version puts out up to 456 horsepower in launch mode. Those are not just good numbers for an Audi. Those are competitive with anything in the segment right now. The PPE architecture also underpins the Porsche Macan Electric, so this is not some untested experiment. The Q6 has had 3 NHTSA recalls so far, all minor. Nothing close to the systemic issues on the older platform. Owner reports are generally positive, with most complaints focusing on software quirks rather than mechanical failures. The interior tech is a step forward too. Audi's new Android-based MMI system is quick and responsive, and the curved display setup with a dedicated passenger screen feels genuinely modern. At $63,800 starting, it is not cheap. But for a new German electric SUV with this level of technology, it is an impressive debut. The reason it sits at number 4 and not higher is simple. It is a first-year production vehicle on a brand new platform. The early signs are promising, but there is not enough long-term data yet to rank it above the proven options ahead of it. Best number 3, the late 2022 to 2023 Audi e-tron SUV with a Samsung battery pack. Now, this is the one that might catch you off guard. After everything I just said about the e-tron SUV, how can it end up on the best list? One word: Samsung. Here is the thing most people miss. The underlying vehicle is actually very good. The ride quality is outstanding. The interior is pure Audi luxury. The Quattro all-wheel drive system is confidence-inspiring in every condition. The problem was never the car itself. It was the LG battery pack in the motor coolant seal design on early production units. Once Audi switched to Samsung SDI battery cells after March 2022, the fire risk recall completely disappears. By this point in the production run, the motor seal issues were better understood and better managed during manufacturing. Late 2022 and 2023 models do not carry the same battery recall, and the smaller problems like the rear light bar and MMI software were fixed by this stage too. You can find clean examples in the $30,000 to $40,000 range, which is a significant discount from the original $70,000 plus sticker. Annual maintenance runs around $400 to $700. Just verify the build date is after March of 2022 and confirm there are no outstanding recalls. Do that and you are getting one of the best used luxury EVs on the market right now. Best number 2, the 2024 Audi Q8 e-tron. Audi is killing the Q8 e-tron after the 2025 model year, and that is actually great news for buyers because the 2024 Q8 e-tron is the version they finally got right, and it is depreciating fast. When Audi renamed the e-tron to Q8 e-tron for 2024, they did not just slap a new badge on it. The battery jumped to 114 kilowatt hours, pushing range up to 285 miles standard and 300 for the Sportback. DC fast charging got faster, the rear motor got more efficient, and Consumer Reports rated the 2024 Q8 e-tron as more reliable than the average new car. That is a complete turnaround from the earlier models that got their recommendation pulled. It has been recalled just once by NHTSA. Compare that to 9 and 10 recalls on the 2021 and 2022 models. That is not incremental improvement. That is a completely different car. You can already find used 2024 models in the $45,000 to $55,000 range, a massive discount on a vehicle that's stickered at $75,000 to $90,000 new. The ride quality is still one of the best in the segment. The cabin is whisper quiet. The adaptive air suspension smooths out everything. And because this platform has been in production since 2019, the service network actually knows how to work on these cars. Parts are available. Technicians are familiar with the systems. That matters more than most buyers realize when something does need attention. If you want maximum luxury and do not need the absolute latest platform, the 2024 Q8 e-tron is a smart buy. Best number 1, the 2025 Audi Q4 e-tron 55. Yes, the Q4 made the worst list earlier, and yes, it is also the number 1 best pick. That is not a contradiction. That is the whole point of this video. The wrong year will burn you. The right year is outstanding. Proven platform, strong reliability data, genuine Audi quality, and a price that actually makes sense. The Q4 e-tron sits on the Volkswagen MEB platform, which also underpins the VW ID.4 and several other European EVs. That platform has been in production since 2021 across hundreds of thousands of vehicles, which means the major bugs have been shaken out across multiple brands and markets. Independent European inspection data shows about 92% of Q4 e-trons passing their first technical inspection without issues. That is above average for the segment. For the 2025 model year, Audi made significant upgrades. The dual-motor Q455 now puts out 335 horsepower. Range improved to 258 miles on the EPA cycle. DC fast charging peaks at 175 kilowatts, getting you from 10 to 80% in about 28 minutes. And the previously optional technology package is now standard across all trims. You also get a charging port on both sides of the vehicle, which is a small thing until you realize how much easier it makes home charging, depending on your garage setup. The interior is unmistakably Audi. The build quality, the digital cockpit, and the overall fit and finish are a clear step above the ID.4 it shares a platform with. And the driving dynamics are surprisingly sharp for a vehicle that weighs 4,800 pounds. Multiple reviewers have noted that it feels more agile than you would expect, and the ride stays composed whether you are in the city or on the highway. At $55,000 to $66,000 depending on trim, it undercuts the Q6 by about $10,000 while delivering the same Audi DNA on a platform with years of real-world data behind it. Maintenance costs are low. The recall history is clean. This is what a smart Audi EV purchase looks like in 2026. The single most important thing to remember from this video: Check the build date. On any pre-2022 e-tron SUV, run the VIN at nhtsa.gov and demand proof the coolant reservoir service has been done. Get those details right, and an Audi e-tron is one of the most satisfying EVs you will ever own. Get them wrong, and it will be the most expensive mistake you have ever driven off a lot. If this breakdown helped you out, please hit subscribe and leave a like. We cover BMW, Audi, Mercedes, Porsche, and Volkswagen EVs every week.